If there are questions which even time cannot answer, funnily, what comes to mind is always what came in first, the chicken or the egg. Any interesting answers? Do comment us with your proofs and reasons to help solve this age-old puzzle. The human race will be obliged for helping the mankind. Let's leave that history for now and move on with the times with what we got perfected out of the chicken itself. Yeah, I'm talking about our recipe for the day, our chicken samosa. Hi, welcome back on Licks and Bites. I'm Hafsa with you. Well, the monsoon rains have been on and off and the weather is almost cool all around. And we are looking forward for a cozy winter where we can tuck ourselves under the blankets, drinking sips of chai and spend time munching our hot samosas. Chicken samosas are perfect for this season to try and are an absolute favorite in my household. So I thought, why not share it with you? For our recipe today, we need 500 grams of fresh chicken, half a cup of chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup of fresh coriander chopped, 2 to 3 cups of red onion chopped, salt to taste, quarter to half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a teaspoon of garam masala. To begin with, let's cook our chicken first. Our chicken has been washed with salt and turmeric and has been kept ready to use. Let's add in some turmeric and salt to the water first and dump in the chicken pieces into it. Let's bring it to a rolling boil and cook the chicken until tender. It might take about 5 to 10 minutes depending on your chicken being used. Once cooked, keep them aside to cool for a while. Now to a pan, let's add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and add in the chopped onions first. The onions are the ones which would balance out the dryness in the chicken, so the quantity of the onions is quite essential to the success of the filling. The more the onions, the filling will be juicy, but keep it just right or else it is going to be too sweeter and you might end up adding more masalas to balance the flavors. Let's cook these onions until they become translucent or pale white. At this stage, we shall add in a little salt and continue to fry them until they start to brown. Adding salt at this stage helps in browning the onions faster. Meanwhile, when our onions are cooking, let's stir in the chicken pieces roughly to make smaller bits and keep them shredded ready. When the onions start to brown, we shall add in the ginger garlic paste and fry them until it is cooked well. By the way, if you have made it so far, I believe you should have enjoyed watching us. So why not press the bell button and subscribe us for more such videos. It keeps us encouraged to make better content for you. When the aroma of the ginger and garlic starts to spread in the air, let's add in these chopped tomatoes. Tomatoes bring in the tanginess to the filling. You can increase the amount of tomatoes slightly if you want it tangier, but do not make it too much that it becomes kind of sour. Let's get back to the recipe now. We shall add in the dry masalas. The red chili powder, the turmeric powder, and the garam masala powder, followed by a little salt. Let's mix in these masalas and cook for a minute or two until they are cooked well, blended with these onions. If you are new to our channel, do check in our playlist and other videos. I'm sure you will like them too. Do comment us on what you feel about our videos. Are these tips elaborative, useful? Whatever you feel, let us know. A word of encouragement gives us a boost, definitely. Our shredded chicken kept ready already is ready to go in now. Lastly, we add in the chopped coriander to it. Keep the coriander just right, as this is one of the key ingredients which makes the filling yummy. Our chicken filling is ready, and let's keep this aside for a while. Today, we shall be making homemade samosa strips, old-fashioned way, and to make it more of a healthy choice, we shall use atta or the wheat flour instead of the commonly used maida or usual refined flour. To 3 scoops of wheat flour, let's add in some salt to season it slightly and adding water little by little. We shall knead it well until it forms a tough dough. The more the moisture in the dough, it is going to be difficult to get it to a foldable shape. In fact, it may tear off easily as you work. Furthermore, your samosas are going to drink in more oil while frying. To make it more softer and pliable, let's add in some oil to it and knead it further until soft. Our dough is ready and soft now to make them into strips. Divide the dough into equal smaller parts and make balls out of them. Dust in some flour onto the working surface and take one ball of dough first and flatten it a bit using your fingers. Using the rolling pin, flatten it to make circles or squares thin enough. Cut them to make longer strips. Keep them arranged to fill in next. Our homemade samosa strips are ready. But there is one more essential element we need. That's the glue. We shall make a simple glue with the same wheat flour we used and a little water by blending them well to make a thin spreadable batter. The samosa strips are ready. The filling is ready. And the glue is done. Let's get ready to assemble it now, making our samosa parcels. Take a tablespoon full of the filling and place it on one side of the strip, folding them diagonally first to form a triangle, and then keep repeating it until the end. When you reach the end, spread the glue onto the inner side and close it to make it a perfect triangle shape. If your triangles are little loose and open in the corners, you may fix them by pinching the dough together. If it does not help much, use the glue to seal the ends. Ensure the parcels are sealed well from all the sides. We don't want our filling swimming in the oil as we fry. Samosas are ready to go into the oil now for frying. If you intend to keep them for later, you can store them for a reasonable amount of time, tossing them into a poly bag and deep freezing them. We are not commercial producers, so we are not using any preservatives, so be sure you use them well in advance before they get expired. You may fry them when you want them later. My batch is now going straight into the oil as I can't wait anymore to dig in. When the oil is hot, let's start to fry them in batches. Wait until they get golden brown and crisp, and toss it time to time to evenly fry them. Our hot samosas are ready to be served. Hope you enjoy our recipe. It's easy, simple and homemade with the readily available ingredients in the kitchen. We have planned in more recipes specially for this winter. Do check us soon when we post more interesting videos. I'm sure you will enjoy watching and recreating these recipes at your home. If you have enjoyed the video, keep us subscribed. For any queries, do comment us and we shall be happy to attend them. If you love watching us, do join us on our Licks and Bites community on Instagram, Pinterest and Facebook too. See you soon with our winter recipes which are without a doubt worthy of Licks and Bites. Bye bye from Hafsa.